What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best gaming PCs that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've curated a list of options catering to different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Alienware Aurora R14 is a powerful gaming desktop that boasts impressive hardware. It is powered by an AMD Ryzen 9 5912 core processor, providing excellent processing power for gaming and other intensive applications. The system is equipped with 32 GB of DDR4 XMP RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and performance. The highlight of the R14 is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphics card, which delivers incredible graphics rendering and allows games to run smoothly at maximum settings. To complement its performance, the R14 features a well-designed cooling system with an internal layout that promotes efficient airflow, resulting in quieter operation. Additionally, the desktop's storage setup is top-notch, featuring a 1TB SSD for lightning-fast load times and a 2TB hard disk drive for ample storage space. The software aspect is also impressive, with the Alienware Command Center providing a user-friendly interface to customize lighting, monitor system performance, and optimize game settings for maximum gaming experience. Design-wise, the R14 has a cool and futuristic appearance that is easily recognizable as an Alienware product. Its optional clear side and doors make component access and swapping hassle-free. Multiple ports positioned at the front and rear offer convenient connectivity options for various peripherals. In conclusion, the Alienware Aurora R14 is a top-of-the-line gaming PC that excels in performance, design, and ease of use. It caters to both seasoned gamers and those new to PC technology, making it an ideal choice for anyone seeking a high-quality gaming rig. The Corsair Vengeance i7400 is a high-performance gaming desktop that delivers exceptional gaming experiences. Powered by an Intel Core i7-13700K processor, 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti graphics card, this PC packs a lot of horsepower, enabling smooth gameplay and stunning visuals. The included 1TB NVMe SSD provides lightning-fast storage for games and applications, ensuring quick load times. With its powerful components, the Vengeance i7400 can handle all kinds of games and tasks with ease, running at high settings with solid frame rates and no lag. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti excels in ray tracing, delivering immersive and realistic graphics. One standout feature of the Vengeance i7400 is its quiet operation, even during intense gaming sessions, thanks to well-managed cooling and efficient fans. The sleek and modern mid-tower design with Corsair branding and customizable RGB lighting adds to its appeal. The PC comes equipped with Windows 11, and connectivity options are plentiful, including 2.5G Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, USB ports, display ports, and audio jacks. Corsair's user-friendly iCUE software allows users to monitor system performance, control RGB lighting, and more. Corsair's Vengeance i7400 series gaming PC is backed by a comprehensive 2-year warranty, providing peace of mind and 24/7 customer support for any assistance needed. Overall, the Corsair Vengeance i7400 is a top-tier gaming desktop that offers impressive performance, quiet operation, and a stylish design, making it an excellent choice for gamers and content creators alike. The HP Omen 45L is an incredibly powerful gaming desktop designed to handle even the most demanding competition. Equipped with an AMD Ryzen 9 5900X 12-core processor and 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, this beast of a machine delivers top-notch processing power for seamless gaming and multitasking. The 1TB SSD ensures lightning-fast load times and smooth performance. What truly sets the Omen 45L apart is its NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphics card, boasting enhanced RT cores, tensor cores, and super-fast memory, making it one of the best on the market. The cooling system is equally impressive, featuring the Omen cryo chamber, which pulls in cold air from the surroundings to keep the CPU performing at its peak. When it comes to sound, the Omen 45L uses TS headphone technology for spatially accurate and immersive audio experiences. Design-wise, the desktop exudes power with a tempered glass side panel and RGB lighting effects. Its package includes an HP 310 wired keyboard and mouse combo. In terms of connectivity, the Omen 45L is well equipped with various USB ports, DisplayPort, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and HDMI. Overall, the HP Omen 45L is an exceptional gaming machine, combining raw power, impressive graphics, and excellent cooling for an unbeatable gaming experience. The Acer Predator Orion 3000 is a gaming desktop PC that combines sleek aesthetics, powerful gaming performance, and advanced cooling capabilities. Its black case features a tempered glass side panel, providing a glimpse of the high-performance components housed within. Powered by a 13th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, the Orion 3000 can handle demanding games and applications with ease. Equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 graphics card, it ensures smooth gameplay even at high settings. The PC boasts 16GB of DDR4 RAM and a 512GB SSD, offering ample storage space for games and files. The cooling system is optimized with separate sections for the CPU and GPU area, and Predator Frostblade 2.0 fans with RGB LEDs keep the components at safe temperatures while minimizing noise. The front panel includes two USB 3.2 ports, a headphone jack, and a mic jack for added convenience. The back panel offers various connectivity options, including HDMI, DisplayPort, Killer Ethernet E2600, and Wi-Fi 6E for fast and reliable internet connectivity during online gaming. Acer's Predator Sense software allows users to customize the system's performance and lighting according to their preferences. The desktop comes with Windows 11 pre-installed, providing a smooth and modern computing experience. Overall, the Acer Predator Orion 3000 is a powerful and stylish gaming desktop that caters to both experienced gamers and those new to the gaming scene. It strikes a perfect balance between performance, cooling, and connectivity, making it a real winner for gaming enthusiasts and content creators alike. The CyberPowerPC Xtreme VR Gaming PC is a highly capable and affordable gaming desktop that offers excellent performance for its price. It features an Intel Core i7 processor, providing ample processing power for gaming and other demanding tasks. With 16GB of DDR4 RAM and a 1TB SSD, the PC offers sufficient space and fast loading times for games and applications. The combination of the Intel Core i7 processor and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 12GB graphics card ensures that the Xtreme VR gaming PC can run most favorite games at a reasonable level, making it a solid choice for gamers on a budget. It may not have the most powerful graphics card, but it's sufficient for playing almost any game in normal settings. The connectivity options on the PC are generous, with 6 USB 3.1 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, HDMI, display ports, a headphone jack, and more, providing flexibility for connecting peripherals. The audio quality is excellent with its 7.1 audio channel, delivering rich and powerful sound for games, movies, and music. Furthermore, the CyberPowerPC Xtreme VR Gaming PC is VR-ready, allowing users to experience virtual reality games and applications with optional VR accessories. The stylish design includes tempered glass panels on the side and front with RGB lighting, adding a level of customization and personalization to the setup. Overall, the CyberPowerPC Xtreme VR Gaming PC offers great value, combining high-level performance, extensive connectivity options, and VR readiness at an attractive price point, making it a fantastic choice for gamers looking for an immersive gaming experience without breaking the bank.